Broken nose, cuts and bruises, lost teeth. Today we learned about the injuries to Elizabethtown Dr. David Dow. His attorney says he suffered from being yanked from that United Airlines flight.
The video of Dr. Dow is making headlines around the world, sending United stock into a tailspin today and raising questions now about consumer rights.
For the first time since Sunday's incident on that flight from Chicago, which was set to head to Louisville, Dr. Dow's legal team and his daughter addressed the issue in front of the cameras. And WHS 11's Chris Williams is joining us now. He is breaking down the very latest. What was said today in Chicago, Chris?
Renee, Doug, his legal team has 2 years to file suit if they want to, but they promise that it won't take that long to figure out if they do. They described the horror their client felt in the moments caught on camera. Dr. Dow, they said, fled his native Vietnam during the fall of Saigon. Yet the horror he felt in 1974 was surpassed Sunday night.
He said that being dragged down the aisle was more horrifying and harrowing than what he experienced in leaving Vietnam.
Attorney Tom Demetrio outlined the physical injuries, a concussion, broken nose, and damaged sinuses, as well as 2 front teeth knocked out. The Chicago attorney representing the E-Town doctor described psychological trauma as running deep, claiming that Dr. Dow does not remember getting back aboard the aircraft, and he has a fear of stepping foot on another, adding that he may be driven back to Kentucky because he, quote, doesn't want to see a plane again.
It has been a very difficult time for our entire family, especially my dad, and we are truly grateful for your support.
One of Dr. Dow's 6 children took part in the news conference that lasted 58 minutes, just 10 to 15 minutes shy of an average flight from the Windy City to Louisville. She said most of the children work in healthcare or are in grad school. Their lives have been put on hold as the video went viral.
We were completely horrified and shocked at what had happened to my father when we learned of the incident. Seeing it on video made those emotions exacerbated.
For a long time, airlines, United in particular, have bullied us.
The legal team suggests this incident is a sign of a greater problem in America, where corporations mistreat their customers. They hope Dr. Dow becomes the face of an effort to change the environment, and it forces air carriers to address their overbooking policies. They described an apology by United's CEO as, quote, staged, but they accept it. And here's why.
Because it's the right thing to do. He apologized, we accept that. But it's not going to let him off the hook here.
No word on when Dr. Dow may speak about the situation. The attorney said that Dr. Dow was released from the hospital last night. Next Monday, they'll be in court to see if a judge agrees to their request to preserve potential evidence in their case. Chris Williams, WHAS 11 News.